Are you looking for the best printer under $400? In this video we will look at some of the best printer under $400 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HP Color LaserJet Pro M283 FDW. The HP Color LaserJet Pro M283 FDW is a high-performance wireless all-in-one printer designed to meet the needs of businesses and professionals who require top-quality color printing along with a range of versatile features. This printer offers a comprehensive set of functions, including printing, copying, scanning, and faxing capabilities, making it a valuable addition to any office environment. One notable feature of the HP Color LaserJet Pro M283 FDW is its fast print speeds, capable of producing up to 22 pages per minute. This ensures efficient and timely document production, which is essential for busy work environments. Additionally, the printer supports automatic two-sided printing, helping to save on paper costs and reduce environmental impact. The inclusion of a 50-page automatic document feeder further streamlines scanning and copying tasks, improving productivity. For user convenience, the printer comes equipped with a color screen, enhancing the ease of navigation and operation. Users can access various settings and features with greater clarity and precision. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET4850. The Epson EcoTank ET4850 is an innovative printer designed to revolutionize the printing experience by eliminating the need for traditional ink cartridges. This printer is equipped with high-capacity ink tanks, offering a cartridge-free printing solution. Epson's exclusive EcoFit ink bottles simplify the ink filling process, making it easy and worry-free for users. One of the standout features of the Epson EcoTank ET4850 is its ability to deliver substantial cost savings on replacement ink. Users can save up to an impressive 90% on ink costs, compared to traditional ink cartridges. This cost-efficient printing option allows users to print up to 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 pages in color with the provided ink bottles, which is equivalent to using approximately 90 individual ink cartridges. This remarkable savings potential is particularly attractive for both home and office users. The printer comes with up to 2 years of ink included in the box, and every replacement ink set also extends this period, reducing the hassles of running out of ink frequently. This extended ink supply ensures stress-free printing for an extended duration, making it suitable for users with high printing demands. Number 3. Canon Megatank GX4020. The Canon Megatank GX4020 is a versatile all-in-one printer designed to cater to the printing needs of both individuals and small businesses. One of its standout features is its impressive page yield, capable of printing up to 6,000 pages in black and 14,000 pages in color with a new set of ink bottles. Moreover, the printer is bundled with an initial set of ink bottles that offer 5,000 pages for both black and color printing, ensuring you have an ample supply of ink right from the start. In addition to its high page yield, the Canon Megatank GX4020 offers a wide range of functions, including printing, copying, scanning, and faxing, making it a versatile tool for various tasks. This multifunctional capability streamlines your workflow by eliminating the need for separate devices. One notable feature of the ink bottles for this printer is their keyed nozzle design, which ensures that you can only fit and fill the correct color ink tank. This design not only simplifies the ink replacement process but also minimizes the chances of color mixing or errors. Number 4. Color imageCLASS MF644 CDW. The Color imageCLASS MF644 CDW is a versatile multifunctional printer designed for desktop use, offering a compact footprint with standard dimensions of 16.9 inches in width, 16.5 inches in depth, and 16.5 inches in height. When considering the installation space required on a desktop, it typically needs an area measuring 23.4 inches by 23.0 inches by 21.3 inches. Usability is a standout feature of the MF644 CDW, offering a unique and customized device experience through its application library. This printer combines essential functions, including printing, scanning, copying, and faxing, all within a single machine. Its user interface is user-friendly, featuring a 5-inch intuitive color touchscreen that offers smartphone-like usability. Additionally, the printer can create a Wi-Fi direct hotspot, enabling direct connections to mobile devices without the need for an external router. Number 5. Epson Expression Photo HD XP 15000. The Epson Expression Photo HD XP 15000 is a professional-grade inkjet printer designed to deliver exceptional photo printing quality and versatility. This printer is part of the Epson printing system, which is specifically designed to work seamlessly with Epson genuine cartridges to ensure optimal performance and print quality. It's important to note that the use of non-genuine ink cartridges may void the printer's limited warranty and could potentially cause damage. In the box, you'll find everything you need to set up and start printing right away. This includes the Expression Photo HD XP 15000 printer itself, a CD-ROM for product setup, a power cord, and a set of Claria Photo HD ink cartridges. The ink cartridge set includes individual cartridges for black, cyan, magenta, yellow, gray, and red inks, allowing for an ultra-wide color gamut and enhanced black and white prints. Additionally, a cleaning sheet is included to help maintain print quality.